The next dance we'd like to show you is called Tango Solair. We commence in ballroom hold, facing the line of dance. We start with 2 walks and a link into Promenade. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. We're now in Promenade position. The gent will step forward on the right and replace weight onto the left. The lady steps forward on the right foot and rondes the left foot ready to come through on the right side of the gentleman. Slow, slow. We now step back to the side and close, finishing facing against the line of dance with the lady in line. Back, side, close. The same 4 bars is repeated against the line of dance, but on the 8th bar, we finish in Promenade. We're going to walk slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, ronde the lady through, and back, side, close, ending in Promenade. Gent facing diag wall, lady facing diag centre. We're now going to release the hold with the left hand and do a chasse, which is forward side close, gent turning to face diag centre, lady diag wall. Slow, quick, quick, having lowered the arms. Gentleman right foot now, lady left. We're going to do another chasse, turning to face wall and partner and adopt ballroom hold. Slow, quick, quick. Moving against the line of dance, we're going to dance a zigzag, forward side behind to the side gentleman, lady backside forward outside partner and step to the side ladies. Quick, 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 quick. We dance a Contra check, recover and place gents left, lady right foot to the side in Promenade. Slow, quick, quick. Still moving along the line of dance, we're going to do 2 walks and then a turning the lady to back the gentleman and face the wall. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Lady and gent now both on the right foot. We're going to lunge against the line of dance, extending the right hand out. Slow. We recover, the weight to the left foot close together and step left foot forward. Quick, quick, slow. We're now facing diag to the wall. The gentleman will step forward, brush side close, turning to face the line of dance. The lady will step forward on her right foot. She does a toe pivot to the right and then step side close to the centre to face partner, and we adopt ballroom hold. Quick, 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 quick. And now, having given you the steps and put all the little pieces together of Tango Solair, we'd like to demonstrate it again for you just one more time. Starting with 2 walks and a link, that's turning the lady to Promenade. Lady does this outside swivel coming to the centre and backside close. We repeat this movement against the line of dance, but finish in Promenade. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Now we have these little chasses back to back and face to face. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. A zigzag moving against the line into the Contra check. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Our walks down the line of dance, lady turning to face the wall and back partner. Slow, slow, quick, quick, and our lunge, slow. We recover into a chasse, quick, quick, slow. We're now facing diag to the wall. The lady does her solo turn to the right and quick, quick, side close, and there we are facing line of dance, ready to do our sequence once again.